Hey guys, welcome back to another investment update video. It's been a while since my last update that was around 6 weeks ago, and at that time the market price was around $5 somewhere in this area, and since then the price fell down to $3.50 before shooting up all the way to $10, and it has now pulled back to the $7 price level. So a lot has been happening over the past few weeks over here. As you can see, the market price was a lot more volatile compared to previously over here. And one of the reasons why I had not been putting up more regular updates is because I was actively buying and selling heroes during this drop and during this run up over here. And so my portfolio has grown quite significantly since then. I'll show you a little bit more about that shortly. But for now, let me just bring you through the major moves I've made in my investment allocation. So first, I have completely gotten out of Bitcoin. You can see here, since my last update, here was somewhere around here, the price of Bitcoin made a small correction and then it went up to make a new all-time high. And since then, the market price has made a big dip all the way down to the 42,500 level. Okay, and if you had been following my Twitter page on the 27th of November, that's around here. Okay, I tweeted that I don't think that this was an ordinary correction, and I think that it could be a small dip or it could be the start of a larger sell-off. Okay, so when I saw that, I took some profits off the table. Okay, and I made this tweet to announce what I did, and as you can see, the market price tried to make a new high, but it has failed to do so and it has since gone back down again. So around this point was when I took a lot of my profit off the table on a number of my investments, both Jewel and Bitcoin, but I got out completely out of Bitcoin because, as you can see, this is quite a significant correction compared to Jewel over here when the market price was mostly consolidating. So this to me signals strength in the Jewel price compared to Bitcoin. So that was one of the reasons why I got out completely out of Bitcoin. And let me now just show you my current investment allocation. Most of my funds are still held in the form of heroes, especially since because the price of Jewel has gone up significantly since my last video. So the dollar value of my heroes has gone up significantly. And so you can see here about 87% of my investment holdings are in heroes, and the rest are in Liquid Jewel, AVAX, Luna, and Ethereum. So I'm farming all of these pairs on DeFi Kingdoms. So pretty much all of my entire portfolio is in the Harmony blockchain in the DeFi Kingdoms app. One of the reasons why I decided to move a lot of my funds into the DeFi Kingdoms farm here is because of this latest announcement that DeFi Kingdoms is moving to the Avalanche blockchain. And we already knew that this was going to be happening, but I think this news came a lot sooner than expected. I had expected the game to move to other blockchains maybe sometime in the third or fourth quarter of next year. But the developers surprised everyone, I think, when they announced that the DeFi Kingdoms was moving to the first blockchain in Q1 of 2022. So that's coming a lot sooner than I had expected. And to me, overall, this is a bullish development. So I decided to quickly go back into the farms, okay, to quickly farm more Jewel, because I will be looking to stake that Jewel in the Avalanche blockchain to farm for the new token. Here you can see, let's see if I can find that. It's a crystal token. Okay, here. Okay, so instead of Jewel, where we have Jewel on the Harmony blockchain, we will be the equivalent of Jewel will be Crystal on the Avalanche blockchain. So I will be looking to farm Crystal the moment it goes live. So for now, I've put in some of my capital, quite a significant amount actually. It's just that it looks small here simply because my hero bag is a lot larger due to the price rise of Jewel, and also because I actively buying and selling heroes, so I've made quite a bit of profit from doing that. So with that said, I will probably be looking to sell off some of my heroes because, as you can see here, the amount of funds I have in the form of illiquid heroes is a bit too large for my comfort level. So what I want to do is to sell off some of my heroes and put them back into the DeFi Kingdoms farm to grow this portion of the pie. Okay, so I am not doing this because I am bearish on heroes, but simply because I want to diversify my portfolio a little bit, because once again, I am too concentrated in heroes right now, and so I want to diversify my risk across some of the other tokens. Okay, so this is just a quick update with what I've been up to and what I've been doing. Hopefully over the coming weeks, I will be expanding this part of the pie with more of my funds that I make from selling heroes to move them into Liquid Jewel, Luna, some Ethereum, and possibly more AVAX. Okay, so if you want to stay updated, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't already, and also to follow me on Twitter, because that's where I post some of the more time-sensitive information about my outlook of the crypto markets. Okay, so that's all I have for you in this video. Thanks for watching, guys. If you found it to be useful, don't forget to click the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.